Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest money making opportunities. Today I have got something special for you, especially if you are based in Africa or anywhere else around the globe. But I know that Africans usually have the hardest when it comes to making money online. So if you are an African watching this video right now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. Also share it with your friends. I will mention the name of the website later on the video, but if you want to skip to that part, you can go ahead. But for the rest of us, stay tuned because I'm going to show you step by step on how to use the website. Now imagine getting paid anywhere from $3 to $5 for completing simple tasks. Tasks as easy as filling out surveys, watching short videos, or testing out new apps that will earn you cold hard cash. And the best part is that the withdrawal threshold is just $5 on this website, making it quick and convenient to access your earnings. One of the standout features of this website is it is available worldwide and it pays through PayPal, which is also available worldwide. Whether you are in Africa, Europe, Asia, or anywhere else, you can join in on the earning potential. This means that no matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection and a device, whether it's a laptop or a phone, you can start making money right away. If you're still second guessing yourself, let me tell you that this website has a user-friendly interface which makes navigating tasks very easy. Additionally, it has a very wide variety of tasks available, ensuring that there is something for everyone. This website has simple tasks like answering surveys, testing apps, or simply watching videos. But the one that I'm going to recommend you, especially if you're from third world countries, is testing apps. The reason why I'm going to recommend you to test apps rather than answering surveys or watching videos is because it is very hard to come by an actual survey website that will pay you for it. And the same is for watching videos. It is very hard to find an actual legitimate offer that they provide or any other website provides that will pay you through watching videos. So I will recommend you to test apps rather than going for answering surveys or watching videos. And when I show you the website, you will know why I'm telling you to go and test apps rather than going to watch videos or answering surveys, because there are much more wider variety of apps that they provide, and the payout for testing those apps and doing the task that they tell you to do is much more higher rather than the rest of the offers that they have. So for the ones who skipped to know the name of the website rather than knowing what to do with the website, you might be demotivated, but I hope you come back to this video and watch where I explain that you rather test the apps instead of watching videos or taking surveys, because they're very hard to come by. And now you must be wondering, what is the name of this website? The name of the website is called freecash.com. The link for the website is down in my description. So after you sign up for the platform, click on where it says offer or offers, and after that, here you'll see a lot of apps that you need to test. You should go for the ones that are between $1 to $2, because first of all, they are paying you a decent amount, and also it means that they will not ask you to do very hard tasks to get that $1 or $2, compared to this, for example, that says you will get paid $19.3. That is a lot of money, but at the same time, they will probably give you hard tasks to complete inside their apps. And to the ones wondering why you should test apps rather than doing surveys or taking quizzes, I will advise you to watch the video from the start so that you can understand the best way to make money with this website. And a lot of websites is through testing apps, and as you can see right now, this website has so many apps that you can test and will pay you an actual tangible amount rather than paying you cents. If you go to the other offers that they have, for example, taking surveys or watching videos, you will be disappointed, because most of these other websites that they will recommend you will tell you that you are not qualified or their website is not available in your country. So I would recommend you to go for the apps rather than watching videos or taking surveys. And that's it for today. This is the new website I had discovered, which is available worldwide, and Africa Americans can take this opportunity and make money online with it. If you are new here, please do subscribe to this channel because 99% of my viewers do not subscribe to the channel, which is insane. I do get views, but I don't get subscribers, so please do subscribe to the channel. Like the video and share it with friends and family so that you can make money together.